T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Oh my God.
Tower cleared.
We got a roll program. Neil Armstrong reporting the roll program, which puts Apollo 11 on Apollo.
Can't be better than this.